Today we'll show you how to change your birthday in your Google Chrome. Okay, just in your Google account. Sorry guys. You can do everything, and just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and you can finally open new page like this, or you can open your Gmail. Okay guys. Okay, after you are open this is a new page. Just go here and click to manage your Google account. Okay, after this, go just to personal info, like personal information, and click, and you will be finally find here. It's a birthday here. Just click, and you will be finally find your birthday. Just click, and you can change your birthday like this. Maybe I will use like 20 November, and you can use maybe like 1999, maybe like this. Okay, after this you can use save, and finally we will update your birthday to this is a new birthday, and finally you can change it. You can finally put your foreseen the other people's, only you can see it, or for everyone like a public. You can just like this or like this. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for